Alright, good afternoon, my 7th and 8th graders. So today we're doing Achieve 3000 for the second time. Last week I had a lot of questions, so I've made this little video to kind of direct us through what we need to be doing. So I'm looking at a lesson that the 7th graders are doing, and it's called Hello China, Can You Come Over? So when I click here, it will take me into today's activities. And notice at the very beginning there is a poll before reading. Now I actually have looked at this a little bit. So once you click here, you answer the poll, and then one or two sentences trying to explain why you chose what you did. And it'll take you then here to the article. Notice that the article has vocabulary over here on the side. And as you click here, you can hear the vocabulary.
Fiscal year, noun, financial year. It does not necessarily go from January to December.
And as you go through, you got these little double arrows here. And it has reading connections, generate questions, and summarize. These you do not have to do for me. So as you go through, you need to read each one of these paragraphs. Okay, and then click Activity. And when it takes you to Activity, you'll go ahead and answer the questions about the article. Notice it says here, refer to article. So if you click here, it'll bring up the article that you just read. Please carefully take your time. There are 8 questions, and I will be taking a grade from the 8 questions that you have today. After you have read, you'll do the after reading poll, just like we had the poll before. You may change your mind from what you thought at the beginning. So like, you know what, maybe this to me is more important now, even though I chose this the first time. And once I'm done that, I'll click Submit. Okay, and then there's a thought question. What is your opinion of what the HTA is doing to attract more Chinese tourists? What might be some additional ways the state could attract tourists? Explain your response. Use the information from the article as well as your own ideas in your response. Type your answer in the text box below. So probably 3 to 4 sentences explaining what you think, and when you've done that, then you will click Submit. So I'm going to type a very carefully worded article, and then click Submit. And notice now that it's done that, it says thank you for submitting your work. If you want to go in and see the poll results, okay, you can see here what other people put and whether they changed their ideas and so forth. If you have time, you can do these activities. But what I'm looking for from you today is the before reading poll, article, activity, the after reading poll, and the thought questions. The activity, which consists of 8 questions, will be today where I'm taking a grade from this. So make sure that you do your best. This is a regular classroom grade.